Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Quick little review after doing a trip on the 23 Blazer. We've got almost 1,200 miles on the trip. In my previous video, I think I had said that I was going to have it PPF'd, have expel put on it. That kind of fell through because I couldn't get it done in time before the trip that we'd already had planned. And unfortunately, we already got our first rock hit. So I want to check out, I think it's Dr. Colorchip is who I've used before. So I'm going to do a review on that to see how well it matches with this, because this is the pearl white paint. So I guess I'm a guinea pig and we'll see how well it covers it up. But unfortunate, but we knew this was going to be a daily driver, so we knew it would happen. The other issue we ran into, we just got done washing it. Already got a rock hit, but fortunately it didn't break. It just kind of glanced it. But you know, you're going to have that type of stuff happen on a daily driver. The ride was awesome. Ride quality is excellent. It did rain some while we were there, so we got to see, you know, how it drove in the rain. It was fine. A lot of mountains going from Georgia to Bowling Green, Kentucky. It did great going through Chattanooga, through the mountains and everything. Miles per gallon, MPGs, you know, the trip we got about 24, but with doing highway driving, we're getting about 18. You know, for a 6-cylinder, it's, you know, I'm not going to complain. I think it's much more fun than the Trailblazer was. So as far as comfort, it's great. With 4 people, 4 adults, no problem. Sunroof's awesome. So far, like I said, it's a excellent vehicle, and look forward to many more miles. Catch you guys later.